Hi, I'm Luke from Excel, and behind every successful event is a team ready to bring it to life. One of the big reasons why we have partners here at Excel is to ensure that all of our clients, whether they're doing big exhibitions or smaller conferences, they've actually got that support there to help deliver those events. Our partners, they offer everything from tech to logistics, soundproof rooms, literally everything from the design process right through to post-show. That means that all of our partners can work very closely with the team here at Excel. It has a lot of benefits for operational efficiencies, sustainability factors, really trying to help support clients that have sustainability goals. The other benefit is cost efficiencies. You know, you've got someone here at Excel with the knowledge to be able to deliver your event. Our partners work really closely with the teams at Excel, whether that be event managers or our operations team, even onto our sales team as well. Actually, the relationship that our partners have with our internal teams actually really help clients and really help the delivery of those events as well. A big reason why we have the partners in the first place is just to ensure that any client that comes through the door, that actually they've got the support there to deliver those events, to make them really successful. The teams, they've got great industry knowledge, they're industry leaders. It's the reason why we have full confidence in those partners.